Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to do the blue search comment on TikTok. So the first thing you're going to do is open the TikTok application and just look for a video that you want to comment to. For me, I'm going to go with this one. This is actually my favorite movie, John Wick. Now the tip here is, of course, you need to like the movie, or sorry, the video first. Make sure you like it. Hit that like button. Open the comments section, and as you can see, there's already one blue comment right there. And I think that's the only one. Now, the tip here is the technique that I'm going to share with you is make sure your comment is as much as similar or relevant to the video itself. For example, write this. Let me just type in movie title, and now I'm going to go for John Wick. Click on enter, and now I'm just going to wait for a few minutes until TikTok reads it and make it blue. Hopefully, it will turn it blue in a few minutes, same as this one right here. But basically, that's it. Just comment a very relevant comment based on the video. I'll get back to you after a few minutes, okay? Alright, so let's check our comment and hoping that it's going to be turned blue. Go back to TikTok right there. Go back to your profile. Click the like videos right there. So we can go back here. Check the comment and we're still waiting for our comment to turn blue, but it should be around here somewhere. And basically that's how you turn it blue. Just wait for it to turn blue. Give it a few more minutes and you should be good to go. Basically, that's it. That's how you turn a comment blue. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.